Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ashland County, Knox County, Richland County until 1:45 a.m. At 12:36 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 9 miles northwest of Shelby to 11 miles northwest of Centerburg and moving east at 45 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Mansfield, Ashland, Shelby, Ontario, Lexington, Fredericktown, Belleville, Gambier. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows.